Now serving A81, afternoon 1.
Alright, so it's gonna be 37.50 for both.
Now serving.
Thank you.
Now serving $1.81.
Yeah, I can just hang out. It's actually our policy.
Oh, that's fine. Okay. You want me to just serve him that?
Yeah, you can. So, how you doing today, sir?
All right, your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Deputy Crawford,
Badge number?
6843.
Okay.
Okay? So, do you understand that you can't videotape and record and everything inside the tax collector's office?
No, anywhere a individual is allowed in publicly accessible area, they're allowed to record also.
Okay, but they have a new policy that
But
states
policy
that you
doesn't
cannot.
trump the law.
This
Correct.
policy is in coordination with the law inside of legal counsel that we've gone ahead and worked on.
Right. So you want him trespassed from this establishment?
So who wrote this
So this
policy?
This policy was actually written and drafted by attorneys
Okay.
inside in coordination with the Driver License Privacy and Protection Act to make sure that people's information is not compromised. Does not prevent you from video in any way, just put some parameters in there that you will be able to request the time and option of whenever you want to come in video, and we'll be able to accommodate that.
But I don't have to ask for permission to record.
And how many people come in our offices every single day, it's very difficult for us to allow that without the compromising of their personal information. And so we can, we can accommodate you, sir, or we can go ahead and issue the trespass warning today, and I can have you trespassed from our establishments.
So you're going to issue me a trespass warning?
That is correct.
For
sir.
what?
For violating the policy we have in place, which therefore then violates the Driver Privacy and Protection Act.
You're going to trespass me for recording? Is that what you're saying?
No, sir. We're trespassing you for violating federal law.
Federal law?
Yes, sir.
What's the statute?
It's right on the door, sir. I don't know it off of hand.
That statute is for the tax collector's office to notify them that they're not allowed to record or release people's information.
We're just going to have to disagree on that, sir. And so
Okay.
we can go ahead and battle this out legally if you would like, but as of today, we're going to trespass you for violating that law.
Which law? If it's a law, there has to be a statute.
Yeah, it's right on our door, sir.
Okay,
If you want to go
and
look on our door, I don't know it
that
off.
statute doesn't have anything to do with recording in the public buildings.
So regardless of that statute, he's wanting you trespassed. So as of right
But
now,
I haven't committed a crime. I haven't done anything
you don't
wrong.
have
I
to
haven't
commit
caused a
crime.
disturbance.
You don't have to commit a crime for you to be trespassed, okay?
So it can be just because why?
Just because.
Just because.
Yes.
Doesn't have to be a reason.
No.
Are you aware who I am?
No, sir.
Okay, this is going on YouTube, and a lot of people will be aware of what you just said.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what are you doing about the trespass? Are you going to write that out in writing?
So our trespass warnings are on the computer. You can get a copy of it from our records.
I would like it in writing. You can print one out. You have a printer in your vehicle, correct?
I do not. My printer does not work.
Okay, well, I'd like it in writing.
So he can give you this.
You can have this.
Okay.
I can make
So
a
this-
copy of that.
This
You can
right,
give that to him.
yeah, that's fine. So this.
So is that a
letter
trespassing warning?
from them? Yes. Ours will be in the computer. If you want a copy of it, I can give you a business card, and you can contact records and get a copy of it.
Okay, and what is your ID number?
I don't have an ID number, sir.
So you just go by Timothy, how do you pronounce that?
I'm the Chief Deputy
Cal-
Tax Collector, Couet.
Okay.
I'm going to go run a copy of this for you, sir.
What's your first name, sir?
I don't have to give you any of that information. I haven't committed a crime.
So right now, you're being trespassed. Okay, you're being trespassed by him from this establishment, right? So right now, you do need to provide me with your identification so I can give you that trespass. I'm confused as to what you're trying to say.
I don't have to ID to you if I haven't committed a crime.
Right. If you do not provide me with your ID, you will
I will what?
commit a crime.
What crime is that?
Your trespass after warning. I can't give you a trespass warning without your name.
I don't understand what you just said. I'm trespassed with...
So this establishment,
Okay.
this business has trespassed you.
Okay. Just now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I need to issue you a trespass warning.
Okay.
Okay. And to do that, I need your name.
No, you don't.
I do.
I'm not giving you my ID. I don't have to ID to you. I haven't committed a crime. You've already violated my First Amendment right.
So
Would you
by
like to violate my
standing
4th and 14th?
By standing here and not giving me your name so I can give you a trespass warning, you're
It's right on there if you like. Would you like a copy of the order? I don't know.
Okay.
right. I don't imagine you would like to provide me with your phone number. I'll take that as a no. Did you drive here? You're being trespassed by these guys, okay? You understand that?
Can I get an event number?
Yes, I will give you an event number. But do you understand that you're being trespassed, and if you were to...
I understand what you're doing, and I understand that it's illegal, yes. Would you get me an event number? Your name, sir?
Deputy Schrock.
What's that?
Deputy Schrock.
And ID number?
6896.
Thank you. Is your body camera activated?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Need me for anything further, ma'am?
I just need to get your name.
Not a problem.
Okay, this is my card. That's the event number, okay?
And this trespass, which part of this area does that cover?
So that covers the Pasco County Tax Collector's Office, the building, the parking lot.
So what if I park over here to go in this building? This other government building?
Let me just verify with him that that's not owned by the Tax Collector's Office as well, okay? It shouldn't be. It should be a utilities building.
It's actually a government center, but okay. Do I need to wait here for you to do that?
I can come over there and let you know. If you want to.
I'll go over here. I'll stand right over here.
So if you want to go to the sidewalk is.
There is
public
no
property.
sidewalk.
So there's a sidewalk over here.
But my car's in the parking lot. I'm waiting for you to go get this guy and ask him so that I know
He's coming.
before I leave.
He's just getting a card for me. He's coming back out, okay?
There you go, that one.
Yeah, he's getting a card for me. He's coming back out though.
Did you need anything else besides that? Did I produce your date of birth? I can put it on there. All right. Appreciate you guys coming out. Sorry you had to deal with
No,
this.
no problem. Thank
All right, be safe.
you. You too.
What's the verdict?
So this is not theirs, just the tax collector's office, okay? But that includes the parking lot.
Which part of the parking lot? Because this looks like all one parking lot.
Yeah, it does.
You
look
need to
like-
clarify for me.
So, I would
Because I
say-
do need to access this building again.
Okay, you can access that building. I would say the light pole from
Which
this
light pole?
this one right here, okay? Over. All right. Because you have employee parking right here for the tax collector's office and everything like that. So
What about over there?
by the
In that
flagpole.
in that area right there. See, because it looks like that all is part of that parking lot. It looks like.
So they probably share the parking lot. I just don't know how far they go.
I need to be clear on this because there's no parking over there, I need a place to park.
Hey,
And I'm not
Schrock.
trying to be a hard ass.
No, I understand. So I want to inform you, so I don't want to get it wrong either.
Yeah, well,
I
you've
don't want
already
them to
gotten stuff
call.
wrong, so.
So I didn't, but that's, he's going to double check, okay?
I go get a copy of that
Do you have that? Still have
Trespass.
that card on you?
I need a copy of the trespass. Where would I
Yeah,
pick that
so
up
you
at?
would go to records. Do you know where records is?
Yes, I just left there.
Okay, that's where you
At
would
the
go.
sheriff's office?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not sure what's taking them so long, so I'm gonna walk in and I'm
I'm gonna
ask-
stay right here if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna ask him to come out and show you where at in the parking lot that you're not allowed to be, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So he said from the corner of that building over there up to that sign towards the road is free game. So just not over here.
I want to be clear, okay? So let. So you're saying from this corner?
So he said basically drawing a straight line from this sign to their building
To their building?
over to the corner of that building. Okay, so pretty much anything
So-
here over
Okay.
is okay. Okay?
From here over is okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So the edge of this building with the sign over it, you're good.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Don't be surprised if they have the same policy, all right?
I'm sorry, I'm partially deaf.
I'm sorry. Don't be surprised if they have the same policy, okay?
It'll be a violation of the civil rights too.
So did he give you a copy of that?
I haven't had time to read it.
Okay, did you want a copy of it so you can read it?
He
when you
gave
get
me a
home?
copy,
He did? Okay.
but I know that it doesn't matter because the policy doesn't trump the law or civil rights.
So regardless of that policy, you were doing something inside that building that they did not like, they did not want.
What was
They asked
that?
you to leave recording. So they asked you to leave. Once a business asks you to leave, you need to leave. If you don't leave, that's considered trespassing, which is a crime. Okay? Do you understand that?
Not in a public building. In a public building,
So it may be a public building, but it's on private property.
and let me get out of the road. It's okay to come back over here, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
It doesn't matter whether it's a public build or what matters is that it's a public building, and the public has access to that building, and you can record in any accessible area accessible to the public.
So I'm not talking about recording. Right now I'm talking about the trespass warning.
Okay, why did they trespass me?
They trespassed you.
That's what we were
because
talking about.
Because they asked you to stop recording, all right? That's their policy, okay?
Okay.
So when they asked you to stop recording and you didn't, and when they asked you to leave and you didn't, you were technically trespassing at that point, right?
But I have a right to record in a publicly accessible area.
Regardless, all right? So they wanted you trespass, okay? So they may be a public building, but they're on private property, and they are able to trespass whomever they want, okay? Do you understand that?
Even if it were private property that the public didn't pay for, it's still used by the public and still accessible by the public.
Right.
It's open to the public. Watch your back.
But because it's
The only thing
sorry,
that
thank
it
you.
should have is,
But because it's private property,
It's not
they're-
private, it's public property.
So it's a public building, but it's private property.
because it's
Okay.
the same movement every time.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you. All right. So they wanted you trespassed. You are trespassed. You will be subject to arrest if you return. Okay.
This should also be
For how long?
It could be indefinite.
So you said it can be, but is it? That's what I need to know. I need to know how long this trespass is
So
active for.
honestly, it's up to them. So there really is no time limit on a trespass warning. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.